everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. I know, it's been far too long since our last video, but I'm happy to say I'm back in the craft room. And I'm excited to share with you our new project for today. Today, I have miniaturized the My Mini Baby Series 2 5 Surprise Baby Dolls. So, let's get crafting. To get the printable to make this project, you'll need to visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. And of course, I'll add the link in the description box below. And I've printed mine on glossy brochure paper to give it a more realistic look. The first thing I do is cut out my box. Then I fold down the top and bottom of the print. I always cut my tabs after I fold so that I get a cleaner fold. Once they're both folded, I cut my tabs. And I always cut down and then in at an angle. Like so. Now, Mom and I are currently talking about our Christmas plans, and we would love to hear if you guys have any ideas of what you'd love to see us make for Christmas this year. So please let us know in the comments down below. Once I have all the tabs cut, then I fold all the sides. If you would like the front window to be open, this would be a time to cut away that space. But today, I'm going to leave mine full because I love how it looks with all the little balls in there. Take a glue stick and add glue to your side tab and glue the other side of the box to the tab. Like so. Pop the box open, fold the two side tabs down, fold the back, and then add glue to the front tab and glue that down, making sure to make it square. All right, then you're just going to fold the top tabs in, fold down again the back side of the box, add glue to the front top, and glue that down. And now you've got a little My Mini Baby Series 2 surprise box for your little miniature toy store or any other ideas you have to use them for. All right, now let's make our little miniature balls. Next, I cut out a top, a bottom, and a center strip. Then what you're going to need is a 1/2 inch bead. And I like to use wooden beads because I feel like the glue sticks to them really nice. I found this wood bead garland at the dollar store for $1.25, and it had lots of the perfect sized wooden beads on it. Now, you're going to take your top and bottom circle and you just kind of add little cuts into the edges so that it can fold around your bead. So you're going to cut all the way around. Once I have them both cut all the way around, I take and I press it into the wooden bead to give it a curved or rounded shape. And I'm going to do that with both the top and the bottom. And then I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm just going to add as little glue as possible. You don't want a lot of globby glue. And put that, this one's the bottom. Well, the bottom or the top, however you want to do it. This is a craft project, so there is freedom. Oops. All right, and then we'll get the other side on there. And fold that around so all the sides curve around your bead. Like so. While that's drying, go ahead and take your strip and cut, again, little lines all the way across the bottom so that the design can curve around the ball. You'll need to cut along the top and the bottom of the design. Like so. Then I'm going to kind of run my fingernail underneath it and kind of curve it around a little bit before I add the glue, just to kind of start to shape it out. Add glue to the back side. Again, try not to get too much glue. And then you're going to take and starting at the side that has more white, curve it around the ball and press it down, and then curve in your cut edges. And then I also like to give it a little roll around in my hands to flatten that all out. And now you have your very own My Mini Baby Series 2 ball. And if you were wondering, I already did Series 1. So if you want to find that video, you can find the link in the description box below. All right, we've got the box, the balls. Now, how did I make the tiny little babies? Let me show you how. For this part, I'm going to need to open a My Mini Baby up. And this ball weighed out at 104 grams and it has an X on it. So I'm wondering if my mom thought this was going to be a special ball. So let's see and find out. All right, now the whole point of opening this up is we need our little guide, because we're going to take the little images on the back to make our little miniature babies. But first, let's see what we got in this ball. Oh my gosh, I think this is a special one. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means, does that mean I got 2 babies? Is this the last twin set I needed? I know my mom's been out hunting for balls for me. Oh, it is. It is the little, I think they're both boys in this set, if I'm not wrong. They come with like cute little baseball hats. Oh, there's our little babies. Aren't they cute? All right, bag number 3. We've got stroller parts. And bag number 4. More stroller parts, but our little clothes, oh no, you guys, no. Look at how cute are these. They've got little cars on them and the little baseball hats. All right, I'm gonna get them dressed, just a sec. Well, these truly are just too cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, the little baseball hats and the car outfit and the twins, they're so sweet. Definitely worth hunting for. Gotta pull their little toes through. There we go. What is that? Oh, you know what? I bet they'd look adorable with the little pacifiers I made. Hang on, I'm gonna go grab a couple. All right, I found a couple and I thought they would match perfectly. Now I made these little pacifiers in my little mini baby toy video. Oh, look at that. Aren't they cute? All right, let's keep crafting. All right, so you're gonna take your little guide and I suggest cutting it about, let's see, I wanna leave a little extra lip. Like so. And I don't need any extra room on top, so I'm gonna cut the top off. And then I am gonna glue the back side. And I am gluing it down to a piece of cardstock to give it some little more weight, make it a little thicker. All right, since we got the little twin boys, how about we cut that one out first? So I'm going to go straight up from the bottom, right about to where the wheel is. And I'm gonna leave a decent sized tab underneath the image, and then I'm gonna bend that over later. So then I go back and I cut around the details of the little baby. Like so. Let's zoom in here. And then I take and just directly under the first wheel, I'm going to fold over the tab. So then when I set it down, it will sit up. Now, the only one I ended up having trouble with not having enough of a tab were the two cribs here. So I did go back and add another extra little piece that I glued to the back side of it. So go ahead and cut all these out. And now I have my miniature twins and my miniature twins for my doll to play with. Thank you everyone for joining me for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. I hope you enjoyed miniaturizing these little miniature babies and that you'll join us for our next episode. Don't forget to let us know if you have any ideas for our upcoming Christmas videos. We would love to hear from you. We hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting and collecting. See you guys next time.